Janae, congratulations on meeting all the objectives to be Omni-Volume certified in Advanced Omni-Volume certification objectives. Congratulations. Can I get a hug with you? Yes, 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 yes. Thank you so much. And by the way, can you tell us what expectations did you have coming into the Omni-Volume certification training? And have you met your expectations?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, I expected the best.
Did you
guys
expect
are
the
the
best
best.
coming to Extreme Lashes?
Yeah,
And
totally.
were you already Volumation certified, or is this your first
I was
volume?
not. This is my first Volumation. I actually took my first classic with Tiana.
Okay.
It was awesome.
And so that was your classic. And when was that?
That was 3 months ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you just went straight 3 months into it, went straight to Volumation. And so since becoming an Extreme Lashes lash stylist, how has this impacted your personal life or your professional life?
I mean, I love doing lashes. It's like very relaxing. It's very meditative. I love making people feel good about themselves. It's an amazing career with amazing income. So just couldn't be more happy.
And what advice would you give anyone out there she knows she wants to do lash extensions, but she's not sure which brand or which company to go with? What advice would you give her when she's doing her research?
I would definitely so I have some girls taking Borboleta class, and it's 2 days for classic and volume. And I just feel like this training, just with the 4 days of classic and 2 days of volume, just got me so much more prepared. I felt like I left here like really comfortable and knowing what I was doing, and I just kind of see my friend not struggling a little bit more. And so I definitely, I recommend this.
So you appreciate having your 4 days of classic training, learning all the fundamentals, learning the classic application techniques. Took a break, applied some lashes, took a break from training, did some classic lash applications, and 3 months later you're here getting multi-lash pickup training. And so you feel like that's just the way to go.
I do. Yeah.
Well, congratulations. Thank you very much for that. Can we also have you hold up your Extreme Lashes certificate, and can I be in that picture with you? Brand new to Extreme?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
So were you with did you first start
I
with
was
a different
originally
company?
certified in 2006 with a different company.
Okay.
And then I moved up to Canada for 7 years and wasn't taking clients at the time. So I've just moved back and started my business back up again. And here I am.
But
And
you
I
know what's
wanted a
beautiful?
recertification.
What's beautiful about Extreme Lashes and lash extensions in general is, as a woman, you can take a sabbatical, you can come back into it,
Yeah.
work full-time, part-time. It awards you that independence.
Yep, I had a really great basis, and I wanted to be with a company from here on out that was going to be a backing for me and have every product that I need in my salon.
The
and
professional products, the retail products.
everything.
Thank you so much.
It's
And
all
this
gonna be
training,
great.
would you recommend it to other lash stylists?
Oh,
that,
absolutely.
whether or
yeah.
not they've been to an Extreme Lashes training before?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Thank you
it was
so much.
So different. There was so much more information that I had received in these last 2 days compared to the other trainings I'd been a part of. So I really
And where do you
appreciate it.
practice today?
I'm at the Parlor Salons. We have 9 locations here in Colorado, and I work at 2 of the 9.
All right. Well, I hope that the consumers watching this will also come in and book an appointment.
Yeah.
On that
Yep.
note, I am here to say congratulations,
Oh,
Erica.
thank you.
Congratulations on certifying, and can we take a picture with your certificate? Thank you so much.
I am so happy to be here. I met so many beautiful people. I met the most famous laugh I ever heard in my life. Who is that lady?
Come on in, come on in, come on in. I know exactly what you're talking about, okay?
Yeah.
She does have that
And,
infectious laugh.
and as an educator, I had no idea she was an educator because she was so warm and so delightful. And she came to me and she said, "I can help you," but I thought she was a student. And I'm just so grateful that she approached me and she made me feel welcome here with all the other educators and the new people and the old people. I am from Detroit, so I came a long ways to be here. But all said and done, I am so happy to be here.
Oh, we're happy you're
you
here.
so much.
Yes,
Yes,
congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy. Thank you.
Okay.
So Tamasha,
Yes.
How long have you been with Extreme Lashes?
I have been with Extreme Lashes as a lash artist since 2010, but I have been a trainer since 2018.
Since 2018. And today you are here in Colorado getting advanced certified in teaching advanced certification training with OmniVolume.
Yes.
So what can you tell our viewers about anything that you want to say about Extreme Lashes, or what they should consider whenever choosing a company, or whether they should take this class?
If lash artists are looking to take their lash skills to the next level, they should absolutely consider Extreme. If you are just coming out of school or you're deciding on a new career path, you should absolutely consider Extreme. This is a company that really does empower women to be able to empower other women to always look their best. Our advanced OmniVolume training for current lash artists is the best advanced training right now on the market because it teaches a whole different dimension of volume lashing. It teaches you to take your volume lashing to a different level so that all your clients don't walk out with a cookie cutter, that they don't all look the same. But it teaches you that in a safe way to do it. A way that will still ensure the health and safety of your lashes so that you can continue to get them for as long as you want.
That is fantastic. Thank you so much. And where can students find you if they want to take one of your training programs? Where are you based out of?
I am based out of Jacksonville, Florida, and I have a training program coming up in December in Jacksonville. But I also travel around the nation. I'm typically found in Atlanta, in the South region. I've been to New Orleans, so I am open to travel wherever Extreme Lashes sends me. But my home base is Jacksonville, and I have a wonderful training facility there, and I'd love to see people.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
And I'm proud to have you as one of our Extreme Lashes trainers. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Joe.
Congratulations on advanced certifying with Extreme Lashes, advanced certification, and training your students.
Thank you so much.
And so I would love to hear from you, in your words, what it's like to be an Extreme Lashes trainer, and why you love to train, and anything else you want to share with our audience about Extreme Lashes or training with Extreme Lashes.
Yes. Well, I got into this feeling that it would be more of a career difference and a career choice, something new to do, without really thinking about how wonderful it would actually be, how you make people feel, and how you change women's lives by just cutting their time in half in the morning, or making them feel more like a woman if they're, maybe a little bit older and there's a little bit of sagging. You could just transform the way they look. For the young moms at home with little kids, you just kind of give them back that femininity, and it's been such an amazing process. And then coming here again as a trainer after having been doing this as a trainer since 2018, and just getting to watch Laura and Amy and them teach it the best of the best, we've really learned a lot. So much more, just little tips and tricks on how you get a concept through to the students, on how to really understand, what we're doing, and the easiest way to get that through to the students. I love it. I love the traveling. I love the opportunity, and I love lashing.
Thank you
It's a
so
definite
much. And you
passion.
spoke about what it feels like to empower your clients with extensions, but what about being a trainer? Why did you choose to become an instructor, a trainer who trains other beauty professionals?
Well, I just think it's such an exciting industry. I think there's a lot of things that girls comes out of school with, different skills and things that maybe are a little bit tougher to market, not quite as lucrative either. And I just think lashes are so much more fun than some of the other aspects. So I loved the idea of taking students that were kind of just coming to add to their skills, and then really educating them as to how great this is, and where it could take you in the world, and what an amazing bevy of relationships that they will find as friendships, even with their clients that come to them. And it's just an exciting, fun industry.
That is
So
wonderful.
I enjoy letting them see that other window.
Thank you so much, and thank you so much for joining
Thank
our
you.
Extreme Lashes team as a trainer for us. And if somebody wanted to take your class, where are you based out of? And I know you travel to train with
I
us.
do
but
travel.
Where are you based out of?
I have a spa in Mount Joy, Pennsylvania, and I traveled to New York City. I've traveled several different places, Connecticut, all over, really. It's been
Fantastic.
wonderful.
And this lady is excellent, okay? When it comes to hands-on education and training and creative design, you want to take her class. She's excellent.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Joe.
much. Carla, you've been with us since 2005.
I have.
Congratulations on certifying today in Extreme Lashes Advanced OmniVolume Certification Training. Now, where can our students find you if they want to take the class from you?
Idaho.
Idaho.
Boise, Idaho.
All right, Boise, Idaho. Do you travel across the nation as well
I
to
do.
teach?
I travel everywhere y'all send me.
Well, thank you so much. We appreciate you. And if you wanted to just share something with the audience about what they should be thinking about when they're thinking about taking the advanced omnivolume training, what should come across their mind, and what kind of research should they do?
Well, I think if they want to take their skill to the next level, this is the place to do it. Right here is the best training in the world, bar none.
Thank you so much, Carla. Give me a hug. Thank you. Thank you.
I look crazy.
Now, is she not branded? Is she not branded an Extreme Lashes Stylist, isn't she? So cute.
I was sharing with her that for me, it's all about my students' success. It's, you know, she was telling me, I heard about you 6 years ago. And I'm like, you did? Was it good?
Well, you've been with Extreme Lashes for 15 years.
Yes. So for me, it's about the student success. And
Can you elaborate on that for us?
I'm really happy to come back. I took a little bit of a break. And I'm super excited to be back with you.
Took a little bit of break from lashing or from training?
From training.
All
From
right,
training
because you
I
haven't
did.
stopped lashing since 2005.
No, it's still my heart.
Thank
It's
you
still
so
my
much.
heart.
Thank you so much. And Ignacia, she was my very first Chicago student in 2005 when we first started the business,
Yes.
and has been with Extreme Lashes ever since. And I love her. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you for
And
changing
if you're
my
in
life.
Chicago and you want the most caring, nurturing, expert in lashes, branded lashes, take Ignacia's training because you will succeed. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.